This is not a test. This is an actual alert. All devices shall transmit this message at the request of the UN Security Council. At 9:32 p.m. EST, the United Nations Aerospace Defense Command detected 156 spacecraft on a trajectory towards Earth from Wolf 1016c, the exoplanet that was made uninhabitable by the core collapse 3 years ago in 2136. These spacecraft are speculated to be occupied by the independent J.C. Jensen worker drones and several independent J.C. Jensen disassembly drones. The United Nations Aerospace Defense Command has predicted 1 month until arrival of the fleet. The UN has made contact with the fleet and has begun communication with them to discover their intentions. Due to the fragile nature of these communications, transmissions in the current communication range by civilians is forbidden. An update will be broadcast at 11 p.m. EST. Seek shelter immediately. This is not a test. The independent J.C. Jensen drones are invading the Earth and slaughtering humans by the millions. All attempts to find a peaceful resolution have failed. They are armed with destructive railguns that can kill instantly. If you are a part of the global reserves, go to your designated armory to get combat ready and report to your nearest superior officer. Civilians must seek shelter in the lowest and most central room of their residence. Turn off all lights, barricade entrances, cover the windows, and gather in Gao food, water, and supplies to last you 2 weeks. Do not approach the drones, for they will kill on sight. If you cannot find shelter, locate law enforcement or military personnel. If you see a drone, run as far away as possible.